I am noticing that many people are having trouble making RoRants, so I created this tutorial to help those small creators out there. Before I start the tutorial, please consider to like and subscribe, cause I'm on the road to hit 100,000 subscribers. This is how a RoRant looks like.
2015, a developer released this website named the Library of Babel, which is coded to contain every sentence or picture ever created and ever to be created. And while you might think it's impossible that this page has a photo of your death, it works by filling a canvas with 4,096 pixels of random colors, and repeats this an infinite number of times.
The first step to create this is by creating the script. To do this, open ChatGPT and sign up or log in. Then use this custom GPT model called GenZRant scriptwriter. The link to this GPT is in the description. Type the prompt I am writing here, and it will start searching the web to find RoRant topics. Now, as you can see, it has given me 5 RoRant topics to choose from. I think the 5th topic is relatable to everybody out there. After you have chosen the topic you want to make a rant on, tell the AI to make you a script on that topic. After it has given you the script, copy it and open any text-to-speech software. Personally, I would use 11 Labs, because it is free to start out and it has the voice we are looking for. Link is in the description. Click text-to-speech on the left of your screen and paste your script into the text box. Copy the settings I have. Once you have done that, click Generate Script.
Bro, I swear, where were all these football experts for the last 4 years?
After generating the speech, click the download button on the bottom right of your screen. Now, you have got the AI voice sorted. Next, you need to get the footage. Just record yourself playing a Roblox or be like Glide Tower or Slack Canyon. Even a few minutes of gameplay will be enough for 2 or 3 RoRants. Next, you will need the sound effects that all RoRants have. One really popular sound is called Vine Boom. To get these sounds, go on this website called Sound Buttons. Link is in the description. Here you will be greeted with a variety of sounds. You can click the buttons to hear them, and you can click the download button to download them. Now that we have all the footage and audio, we need to edit them. Many people use apps like Premiere Pro and other paid editing softwares. But if you are just starting out, then even an app like Microsoft Clipchamp will do the trick. Microsoft Clipchamp is an online editing app and is always pre-installed in a Windows PC. You can use it on a MacBook too, but only the online app. Other apps like CapCut and DaVinci Resolve will also work. Link to the app is in the description. After you have logged in, you will be greeted with this screen. Click Create a New Video. After it loads in, import everything, the sounds you want to use, the footage, and the AI voice. After that, drag and drop the footage and the AI voice on the timeline. Then, click your video on screen and crop out any parts on the side. So, your video should go from looking like this to this. Now, play through your video. Slow down any dramatic voice lines to 7.5x or 75%. Remember, only slow down the voice, not the footage. Once you have done that, put your sound at any dramatic points throughout your video. This will keep the viewer watching. After that, add your end screen in the end if you have one and export your video in the best quality possible. And boom, you have created your very first RoRant. Anyway, here's today's RoRant.
Bro, I swear, where were all these football experts for the last 4 years? Like nobody said a word. And suddenly World Cup is coming, and now everyone's analyzing formations like they're Pep Guardiola. My friend who calls it soccer ball game yesterday is now like, nah, bro, their midfield lacks depth. Depth? You failed PE. I open Instagram. Every story is predictions, lineups, debates. I don't even know half these players, but now I'm arguing like my life depends on it. And don't get me started on fake fans switching teams mid-tournament like bro pick a struggle. I swear World Cup season turns normal people into full-time coaches overnight.